Good morning, financial enthusiasts, and welcome to Monday's edition of Capital Markets Quickie. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, and today we've got a hefty slate of market-moving news to cover. So let's get right into it. Kicking things off, this Friday we're eyeing the U.S. inflation figures with the release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) price index. Given recent robust labor market data and rising geopolitical tensions that have spiked oil prices, investors are recalibrating their expectations for any Fed rate cuts. With inflation expected to stay elevated, this report could be crucial for gauging the Fed's next moves. On the earnings front, it's a big week for tech. With the Standard & Poor's 500 and Dow seeing their biggest weekly losses in months, all eyes are on the tech giants to see if they can turn the tide. We're talking about Tesla reporting Tuesday, followed by Meta on Wednesday, and then Microsoft and Google parent Alphabet on Thursday. Given these companies' heavy influence on market indices, their performances could significantly impact overall market sentiment. Moving over to the oil sector, despite a slight rise on Friday, oil prices faced a weekly decline. The situation remains tense in the Middle East, but an immediate escalation seems off the table for now. Yet, with OPEC Plus expected to increase output from July, we'll keep an eye on how these developments could affect global oil prices moving forward. Next, let's talk about global economic indicators. PMI data coming out on Tuesday from the Eurozone, the US, and the UK will provide more clues on the state of inflation, especially in the services sector. March figures indicated a slowdown in US services growth, which could have implications for the broader economy. And finally, a quick note on the Bank of Japan. Their meeting on Friday will include fresh quarterly growth and inflation forecasts. With Governor Kazuo Ueda hinting at a possible rate hike this year if inflation persists, this meeting could offer valuable insights into Japan's monetary policy trajectory. So, from inflation data and big tech earnings to oil prices and central bank meetings, it's shaping up to be a week full of key developments that could steer market directions. Whether you're invested in stocks, bonds, or currencies, these events will provide critical data points for your strategies. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Cela, hoping to keep you well informed and ready for the market's next moves. Stay tuned, stay insightful, and I'll catch you tomorrow for more updates from the exciting world of finance.